Imagine a world where the fifth largest economy isn't China, the United States, or Japan. Instead, it's India. A bold projection indeed. But as we peer into the crystal ball of economic forecasts, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. With an anticipated growth rate of approximately 8% in the next half-decade, India is poised to make this vision a reality. This impressive growth isn't happening in a vacuum. It's the result of targeted investments in infrastructure, both from the public and private sectors. These investments are creating a domino effect, leading to the expansion of the Indian stock market, which is predicted to become the fifth largest worldwide. But what are the key players driving this growth? Which sectors are leading the charge, and what are the unique challenges they face? Let's delve into this intriguing world of economic potential. First, we turn our gaze to the healthcare sector. With an aging population and a surge in chronic illnesses, the demand for healthcare services is on the rise. Coupled with government initiatives to improve these services, the healthcare sector is set to perform exceptionally well. Next, we have the renewable energy sector. With climate change at the forefront of global concerns, the demand for clean, sustainable energy is skyrocketing. India, with its favorable government policies, is well positioned to ride this wave of green energy. On the digital front, the IT sector in India continues to flourish. Favorable government regulations and a rising demand for digital technology are fueling this growth. The world is becoming increasingly digital, and India is not just keeping pace, it's leading the charge. The real estate market in India has undergone a significant transformation and consolidation. Government programs supporting affordable housing and enhancing the regulatory environment are driving this change. The future looks bright for this sector, with a strong foundation being laid today. Finally, we look at the fast-moving consumer goods or FMCG industry. Rising incomes, shifting lifestyles, and increased urbanization are driving significant growth in this industry. As more people move to cities and their incomes rise, the demand for FMCG products will only grow. But what does the future hold for these industries? As we look ahead, we see a future where these sectors continue to thrive and contribute to the growth of the Indian economy. The healthcare industry will provide better services for an aging population. The renewable energy sector will help India reduce its carbon footprint. The IT sector will continue to innovate and lead the digital revolution. The real estate market will provide affordable housing for millions, and the FMCG industry will cater to the evolving needs of a growing urban population. So, as we stand on the precipice of 2024, the future of Indian industries looks promising. It's a future of growth, innovation, and potential, and it's a future worth investing in.